immigration is an important issue in the United States. A number of elected officials have been working very hard to come up with a realistic solution that is acceptable by all members across party lines. However, for a variety of reasons, an acceptable compromise has not been found. Here is a simple and workable solution that can be accepted by all parties and put into action very quickly. We may not agree on every aspect of the immigration reform, yet we are all united on three important matters. All illegal immigrants must be identified, pay income tax, and contribute to the healthcare system. In our post-9/11 world, we realize that it is vital to identify everyone who lives and works in the United States. If a person takes advantage of the facilities of the United States without paying income tax, then there is a problem. If you earn money, you must pay your fair share of income tax. Illegal immigrants have been benefiting from the American healthcare system for years, resulting in high insurance premiums and leaving millions of United States citizens without insurance coverage. Through this system, we can collect additional money to pay for soaring healthcare costs. With the help of the United States government, the illegal immigration problem can be solved. We can facilitate by installing hundreds of income tax collection machines like this throughout the country. It can collect income tax on a weekly basis and will be capable of taking a picture, obtaining biometric information or a thumbprint. Through a series of questions, the system will register a person and produce an identification card which can be accessed by a number of government agencies, including the IRS, Homeland Security, local law enforcement, and Border Patrol. Since the database also includes biometric information on the individual, it will be very difficult to nearly impossible to tamper with. The ID will also consist of important information such as a picture, current address, phone number, date of birth, and country of origin. This ID card can be inserted into any income tax collection machine throughout the country. Workers will be able to pay income tax for the upcoming week or up to 4 weeks in advance. The greatest advantage to the system remains that we will be collecting the income tax now rather than waiting 1 year. People are more likely to participate if the tax is paid in small quantities, thus allowing the U.S. government to collect a higher amount of tax revenues. The weekly work permit, or the ID, can simply be verified by accessing the database. Since the workers will need to make frequent visits to the income tax collection machines, it will be easy to track their movements and tax contribution. With an additional income of millions of dollars every week, the U.S. government can now implement measures towards securing our borders by hiring additional officers to check on employers and day labor employees. There will be several questions on everyone's minds, however. If we are united on collecting income tax and identifying all undocumented individuals, then we can work toward resolving the challenges at hand. Currently, there are several taxpayer-funded day labor centers which receive nothing back in the way of results. This is also a motivational incentive for employers to comply with the law and participate by collecting income tax.
Here's your pay, and here's your prepaid income tax card for next week. Gracias.
This system will have a great impact on the key issue of illegal immigration. By all of us working together, we can facilitate where workers can register themselves and earn legal status at some point. Workers will be allowed to apply for jobs that Americans do not desire. Employers and workers will be able to participate and comply with the law. These ID cards will have a great impact on crime and safety as well, because the workers will not be afraid to report a crime. We can all work together in private and government sectors to resolve the illegal immigration issue.